Joe Rogan has confirmed what we all secretly suspected.
He has exposed that Elon Musk is an alien. And not just with wild claims, no, Joe has brought some serious proof.
What did Joe Rogan see that we missed? Actually, there's a lot. He has given 7 reasons why Elon Musk just might be from another world. So, what makes people so sure he is not like the rest of us?
Elon Musk has one of the boldest missions humanity has ever heard of, colonizing Mars.
Yes, that's right.
He doesn't just want to visit Mars for a cool trip, he is serious about turning the red planet into a thriving human civilization. Through his space exploration company, SpaceX, Musk is developing Starship, a massive spacecraft designed to carry large groups of people to Mars.
He envisions entire cities being built, new societies starting, and millions of people living there, making humanity a multiplanetary species.
That's where the theory comes in. What if Elon Musk is not just a forward-thinking genius but an actual alien trying to lead us to a new home?
Think about it. No one else on Earth is this committed to space colonization.
Some people even joke that maybe Mars is his home planet, and he's trying to make Earthlings into interstellar neighbors.
It's as if he's on a mission with a timeline we don't fully understand. Musk is investing billions into this dream, and is even willing to put his own life on the line for it.
The whole thing feels like an alien's grand plan to get humans off Earth.
Maybe he knows something about our future that we don't. Or maybe he's simply fulfilling a duty given to him by his home species.
Either way, his Mars obsession feels a little too intense for someone who's supposed to be just an ordinary human. Elon Musk brings up aliens constantly. In interviews, on Twitter, and even during casual conversations, the topic of extraterrestrial life keeps popping up.
It's not a once-in-a-while thing.
He has openly wondered where the aliens are, if they're among us, or if they're out there observing humanity. When Joe Rogan interviewed him on Musk didn't hold back. He talked about how it's possible aliens are already here, quietly blending in with human society. If you go to the Fermi paradox of where the aliens are, it's just like, why haven't we heard from them?
Musk pondered. Most people would be content to ponder the possibility of aliens every now and then. But not him.
Musk seems almost preoccupied with the idea, as if he has insider knowledge or a deeper understanding of what's really out there. And let's be real, if you're the one dropping hints about aliens maybe being among us, people are going to start raising their eyebrows. Some have even speculated that this obsession is because he's trying to communicate something indirectly. Like maybe he's not just fascinated by aliens but is one himself. It's one thing to be interested in the unknown, but it's another to bring up extraterrestrial life as often and seriously as he does. Elon's constant alien talk adds fuel to the idea that he's not from around here. Elon Musk has a complicated and almost contradictory relationship with artificial intelligence, AI. On one hand, he's one of the loudest voices warning about the dangers AI poses to humanity. He has even compared AI to summoning the demon and repeatedly emphasized that we need to proceed with extreme caution.
Yet, on the other hand, Musk is also deeply involved in AI development.
His company Neuralink is working on brain-machine interfaces, essentially creating technology that merges humans with AI. Why the dual approach? Why both warn about AI and develop it simultaneously? It's almost like he's preparing for a future where humans and AI coexist, or maybe even merge.
If Musk were an alien, this would make perfect sense.
He might see AI as a necessary tool to bring humanity to the next level, bridging the gap between our current limitations and a more advanced state of existence. His warnings might not be fear-based but rather a way to ensure we don't mess up his grand plan.
Let's face it. Elon Musk doesn't think like the rest of us.
His ability to envision and execute groundbreaking ideas is almost superhuman. From electric cars to reusable rockets, from tunnel systems to AI-driven brain implants, his brain seems to operate on a different level.
It's not just the scope of his ideas but the speed at which he acts on them. Most people would spend a lifetime working on just one of his ventures.
Musk juggles multiple billion-dollar companies at once, all while maintaining an active social media presence and raising a family.
How does he do it?
Some people argue that his relentless drive and productivity are evidence of an otherworldly origin.
Maybe his mind works differently because it's not entirely human.
Perhaps his brain is wired in a way that allows him to process information and make connections at a speed we can't comprehend. It's a compelling argument, and one that only adds to the mystery of who, or what, Elon Musk really is. Elon Musk's social behavior is,
let's just say, unique. He's often awkward in interviews, has a dry sense of humor, and sometimes comes across as robotic.
While this can be chalked up to personality quirks, some people see it as a sign that he's not entirely comfortable in human skin. He's also been known to make bizarre comments that leave people scratching their heads. For instance, when asked about his work-life balance, he once replied, "Nobody ever changed the world on 40 hours a week." It's as if he genuinely doesn't understand the concept of leisure or relaxation. Whether it's a production issue at Tesla or a software bug at SpaceX, Musk seems to have an uncanny ability to solve complex problems quickly. Some engineers who have worked with him have described his problem-solving skills as like watching an AI at work. Could it be that his mind operates on a level beyond human capability?
Or is he simply using alien technology to stay one step ahead?
It's a tantalizing thought, and one that many people find hard to ignore.
Everything Musk does is focused on the future.
He's not just trying to solve today's problems, he's thinking 50, 100, even 1,000 years ahead.
It's almost as if he has knowledge of what's coming, and is trying to prepare us for it.
Whether it's through electric vehicles, space travel, or AI, Musk's actions seem to be driven by a vision that's larger than life.
And maybe that's because he is.
Maybe Elon Musk isn't just a man with big dreams.
Maybe he's an alien with a mission.
And maybe, just maybe, he's here to help us survive and thrive in the cosmos.
Whatever the truth may be, one thing is certain, Elon Musk is not like the rest of us. And that's exactly why he's changing the world.
Please like, share, subscribe and comment. Thank you.